Your generation is going to explore space more than anybody else. You are going to be amazed at what they can do in space. Hi everyone, my name is Kathleen Skeals. I'm the Deputy Superintendent of North Colonie Central Schools. I'm so excited to be here with you today to talk to you about all the amazing space books that are in the Summer Adventure Virtual Library. One thing that fascinates me is the idea of space, because I can look up every night and I can see the stars and I can see the moon shining brightly, and I wonder so much, what is it like up there? And the one place that I can find out is by reading books about space. One that I absolutely loved was this book called Margaret and the Moon. And the reason I loved it is that Margaret is a fictional character, but incorporated in her story are all kinds of facts. So for example, how many miles is it to the moon? How long does it take for the Earth to rotate? Most of the astronauts in the United States have been men. In fact, I think there's only been a couple female astronauts. And what the book shows is, although that was true of the past, it doesn't have to be that way for the future. If you're interested in space, if you're interested in math and science and exploration, if you read Margaret and the Moon, you'll realize how those interests could open up a whole field of study for you as you get older. Another book that I read is actually a true story. It's called Address ISS. It's the International Space Station. So it turns out if you read this book, you will find out that the International Space Station sounds a little bit like a hotel that's in space. When an astronaut gets up there, somebody immediately greets them, they welcome them, they show them their surroundings. And here's the really cool part. And I wonder if you knew this, because I sometimes forget this. There are people in the International Space Station every day working. That's right, people every day are actually in space. That's somebody's job. Can you imagine how cool that is? So if you read this book called Address ISS, you will learn all about what they do up there, all the work that they're doing and what they monitor. So it might so happen that when you go to look for the books, they're all checked out. Sometimes that happens when books are really popular. So if you go to look for space books and they're all checked out on the Summer Adventure Collection, you can still go to the Explore tab, you can type in the word space, and you can find other books on Sora that are in the collection that you might like just as much as the ones that I recommended. The Summer Adventure ebook collection can be accessed from the website. It can also be accessed from the mobile app. And our Sora website is available to you. It's a free resource provided by your school district and Capital Region BOCES library system. So we hope you have some time this summer to read some really great books and go on terrific adventures with reading.